is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome on back if you are returning. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and I'm doing this video different than I've done any other video. First of all, the location. Obviously, I'm in my front room in front of my Christmas tree. My sister is actually in here with me, so you know it's a completely different setup. Hopefully the lighting is okay. Please excuse it if it's not. But I'm in my front room, so we got the Christmas tree. I put this little elf right here and this little puppy, trying to make it festive. I don't have on any makeup today, and my hair is not done, so just ignore that. But again, I'm doing this unboxing completely different because I'm doing it straight out of the package. My doorbell, it didn't ring, they knocked, and I opened the package, and when I opened it, it smelled so good on the inside. So I just wanted to get my full first impressions of this and just get on into it. So I'm gonna be quiet. Well, I'm not gonna be quiet. I'm gonna be quiet and start unboxing and just talk to y'all as I go. This is from Casandra Hosey from Las Vegas, Nevada. It doesn't say the brand name on the outside, but it smells so freaking delicious. And they got all these little confettis and paper and stuff. I'm gonna take these out and then get on into opening it. Okay, so this is the package. Okay, so this is candles like I thought it was. This is the paper that came in it. It says thank you, love Coco. So this is that Coco, the Coco Candle Company. Yeah, yes, super cute. It says Lori, you are a breath of fresh air. Don't ever change. Happy birthday, doll. Oh, that is so sweet. Love Coco. Thank you so much. That is so sweet.
A natural reaction.
Wow, that is so sweet. It really was. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so freaking good. This is how it looks when you open it. I'm about to just open it up. I'm gonna say the candle for last. I can tell what's the candle. So this is what it looks like. Candle Co. Coco Candle Co. I'm sorry, I keep messing up the name. It's like Christmas. This smells so good. Oh.
Is that melty?
It's the little wax. Soy wax melts. It's fruity cutie. Oh, it smells so good. Look at her logos. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. And then these are other. It's banana. It's another like wax melt. It's banana. And then, ooh, they all different ones. Wakanda Fireside. That's so cute. That's what it looks like. Cinnabunny.
That's cute.
Blueberry Bliss. Hot Cocoa. And Blueberry Pumpkin Waffles. Oh, that smells so good. And then this is the candle. Y'all really can't see because my lighting, but that's the sticker. Once I show y'all this, I'm gonna go back over and show y'all everything that came. But this is like a fresh reaction. I honestly thought it was my phone coming in, which is why I was ready to record. But I smelled it and I knew then it had to be these candles. This is so pretty. It's his birthday bash.
Oh wow.
Hand poured soy candles. Oh, smells so good. Smells like a birthday cake. This is so cute. Look at the aesthetic of it. You got the little rope on it. That is so freaking cute. This is too cute. Okay, I'm gonna go in and just show y'all everything again. This is the Fruity Cutie Wax Melt. I'm going to link her Instagram, her business, all of that down below on this video. But this is the Blueberry Bliss Candyland Melt. and it's shaped in candy. All of these are shaped like candy. This is the blueberry pumpkin waffles. This is shaped like that. This is the It's banana scent. This is too cute. This is hot cocoa. This is Cinnabunny. This one smells delicious. This is too freaking cute. And then this last one is Wakanda Frenzy. Oh, hold up. It's more in here. She sent me her business card. It says lots of love packed into a little mason jar candle. That's that. And this is like her business card. I'm gonna let y'all see everything that's on it. And everything that's on here I will put in the description box. Casandra Cocoa Hosey. And it's Cocoa Candle Company. It's soy candles and wax melts. And yeah, her number is on here. I'm gonna put all of this information down below in the description box. And then she also gave me this swirl lollipop. This is so cute. It is so cute. This is the cutest thing I've ever gotten, like from a brand. Thank you so much, Coco Casandra. Thank you so much, girl. I'm gonna DM you and let you know that I got this. And yeah, she gave me, oh, please share code with your followers for 10% off the purchase. So the discount code is Cold Candle 10. Cold Candle 10. It's right here. I'm gonna put it on the screen as well. But Cold Candle 10. So if y'all want to shop with her, use that discount code to get 10% off. But again, thank you so much. This made me so happy. Everything you saw was a genuine reaction while trying to stay professional, you know. I feel so bad that I look so ratchet, but it's okay. But thank you again so much. I like deeply appreciate this because this smells literally delicious. It smelled good in the bag before I even opened it. Oh, y'all, it smells so good. But again, thank you so much. Please make sure to check her out. Check my description box out. Make sure to use the discount code off for 10% off your order. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for today's video. So please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to check out Cocoa Candle Co. or Company, Cocoa Candle Co. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.